right under Mystery Mine is the entrance to Wildwood Grove. Gonna walk under the fallen log. One of the things you can see is that they've actually planted some flowers and laid down some new mulch right up here. So that tells you they're definitely in the final stages of getting this thing ready. Which makes sense because it's about 2 weeks till the grand opening. You can also see they've laid all the concrete for the pathway that you're going to walk on to get to the area. Here's the other side of that fence, so you can see it is an uphill walk to get to the area. Look at all that mulch they've planted on top of the fallen log and rock work right there. You can also see they now have fencing all the way around the area. And that goes for the back part too. Looks like one of the first things you're going to see when you're going to enter is there's going to be this tree fountain right here. So right here you can actually see a worker right now painting this building. Really shows you they're in the final stages of construction here. They're doing all the final touches these last few days that they have left before it opens. Some more of that Wildwood Grove theming. You can see the twisted branch. And right underneath it on the stump, a butterfly. There'll be lots of butterflies in Wildwood Grove. So unless my memory deceives me, I do not remember this large of a clearing being to the right of Wildwood Grove. So my guess would be, if you have this area of Wildwood Grove opening in 2019, this is definitely future expansion. Maybe not 2020, maybe not 2021, but I'd say definitely at some point down the line, expect some rides up here.
I bet you didn't realize you traveled behind this preservation before I want to be raised in the military. And there's thoughts and prayers. So ready for handling. Give yourself a big round of applause. Thank you for serving your country and market. Thanks. Over Dollar City, Tennessee. Hey folks, see that shiny spot up there?